Your home is a major financial investment, and your relationship with your realtor should be a full partnership where your needs and wishes are heard and you received detailed and dependable feedback on the progress of your sale. Did price work for you or against you? The right price depends on the current market conditions, competitions, and conditions of your home. Pricing it too high is as dangerous as pricing it too low. If your home doesn't compare favorably with others in the price range you've set, you won't be taken seriously by prospects or agents. Consider taking care of major items such as having your home painted. Offering an allowance to your prospective buyers so they can have painting completed is not the same as having it done for them. Now, as they're trying to imagine what that new paint job will look like, they may also be discounting the price even further because of the less than perfect look of those walls. To be competitive in today's marketplace, agents who use new and innovative, non-traditional marketing approaches are the ones who are getting more homes sold fast and for top dollar. For more videos like this, please like this video and follow us here. Thanks for watching.